as a further update to my Avis Brady 7140 problem here, is the deepest hook that I got just isn't enough to reach those key pins right at the back there without oversetting this number 2 spot here. So what I'm going to try today is to make a pick that will make a pick out of some hacksaw blade here that I have. So I've already got it traced out, and I'm going to attack this with a Dremel and we'll see what we can get with that. So that's today's project. Try to make those lines just a little bit darker here. That's better. So I copied Sparrow's steep hook, I believe it is, which is this one here, and then I just extended that another millimeter or two to see if that'll help me. So the more up and then curves a little bit there on the end. So we'll see if we can get that to work here. So just highlight this a little bit more, and then we'll attack with the Dremel. All right, so I've never tried anything like this before, so we'll see how this goes. I'm not even sure if this is the right bit for this, if this is going to work or not, but I do have a number of other bits here I can try that will maybe make it a little bit easier. We'll see how this goes. What do we got in the files bucket here that might make it just a little bit easier? A bunch of old files I've gathered over the years. That's a pretty aggressive one. It's got a handle on it. Let's try it.
$2,000 years later.
And that's how that's done. Well, it's getting there. All right. A little bit of fine tuning, clean up that tip. See if we can make it thinner without breaking it. Gosh, you're not getting that hot. It's definitely a high reach pick, isn't it? I'm going to leave that long tip on there for now. I'm going to get this thing shortened up a little bit and cleaned up. See if we can make it into a handle and see if we can get it all cleaned up and sanded. Okay, actually, that's actually coming up pretty good. For the length, I thought the length might be too long, but if you watch this, like goes in, I'll have to tilt it up quite a bit, but I definitely gets under there, and then it'll get up and under there like that. So this might work pretty good. I'm very excited about this. So this is the final result. As you can see here, I will get underneath the low set number 2 pin and all the way up into 5 and 6 back there. It should be really good at getting those. Very happy that it turned out. And all in all, it took me about a half hour to make. I'm sure I could probably fine it to a really high polish, but I'm very happy with how it is. All I had was a cheap Dremel knockoff, a grinding bit, and some 400 grit sandpaper. So very easy task. As I said, about a half hour of the work. It wasn't too hard. I have the rest of the hacksaw blade, which I might be able to get another pick, maybe some other tool out of it. See what I need down the road. Thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe so you can follow along with me in the exciting hobby of lockpicking. Hope to see you again. Take care.